Hello students, how are you? Hope you all are healthy and safe at your home. I am Shweta Jain representing Shiv Jyoti Educational Group Kota. So children, today I am back here with Science chapter 12 Air, Water and Weather part 2. So children, today we will discuss part 2 of this chapter. In part 1 we have already discussed about properties of air, what air contains, uses of air and water along with water cycle. So today we will study about weather and seasons. So all of you open your books, page number 100. Children, have you ever noticed what type of day it is? Is it cloudy or is it windy? If you go outside, have you ever seen sun is shining brightly in the sky or there are clouds in the sky? Sometimes it is hot and sometimes it is cold. So what is this hot and cold over here? So children, this hot and cold describes the condition of air. So here the condition of air at a particular place and at a particular time is called weather. Weather keeps on changing. Changes in weather are caused by sun, wind, rain and clouds. That's why sometimes it is windy, sometimes it's cloudy, sometimes it's rainy, okay, and sometimes it is very hot. So these changes are called as weather. Now we come to changes in weather. So children, there are different types of weather conditions at different times. So let us study some of them. First is sunny days. So what happens on sunny days? On sunny days, the sun shines brightly in the sky. Sunny days are usually hot. Now in the afternoon, the sun shines directly overhead. That is why afternoons are hotter than mornings and evenings. In the mornings and evenings, sun rays are slanting. So children, what happens on sunny days? Because sun is shining brightly in the sky, so we feel hot in sunny days. And during the afternoon time, as you can see here in this picture also, sun shines brightly overhead, so we feel more hot, okay. Temperature is high in the environment, but during the mornings and evenings, sun rays are coming slanting, so we feel less hotter, okay. Then there are windy days. Moving air is called wind. When wind blows slowly, it is called breeze. Breeze makes the weather pleasant. So children, here what is wind? Wind is moving air. Now when this air moves slowly, we like it and we feel happy in such type of weather conditions, and this type of air which moves slowly is called as breeze. It makes the weather pleasant, but strong wind causes storms, okay. So what happens during strong winds? During strong winds, there occurs storms. At times, storms are accompanied by rain, lightning and thunder also. Storms can cause lot of damage, okay children. So storms here can cause damage because in storms there is thunder also, there is lightning also, sometimes there is rain also, okay. Now we come to the third type of weather condition, it is cloudy days. On a cloudy day, clouds are seen in the sky. The clouds block the sun rays. Cloudy days are cooler than sunny days. So children, when there are clouds in the sky, so the temperature of the environment is less hotter. We feel cool as compared to the sunny days. Why? Because these clouds, they blocks the sun rays, okay. Now we come to next. That is rainy days. On a rainy day, weather becomes cool because rain falls. So when water drops on the earth's surface, so the weather becomes cool. So children, you can see there are some of the pictures shown over here of different weather conditions in the sky. You can see here it is sunny day when sun is shining brightly, partly sunny when some of the clouds are here, partly cloudy when so many clouds are there, okay. Then sun and rain both. You might have seen all these small changes in the weather conditions. So these all explains the weather conditions. Sometimes the sky is clear when there is no cloud, sometimes there is rain, okay. So these are some of the different weather conditions. So children, now we come to the next topic, that is seasons. So season is a period in which weather remains same. Seasons change every few months. There are 5 seasons in a year: summer, monsoon, autumn, winter and spring. So children, we have just now studied that weather changes, it keeps on changing, but seasons here is a period in which weather remains same for few months. So there are 5 main seasons in our country. So children, there are 5 seasons. So these seasons are first is summer season. After summer season, there is monsoon season. We call it as rainy season also because rain falls in this season. Then there is autumn season. After autumn, there are winters. And after the winter season, the next season here is spring season, and this is the season which we likes the most because flowers blooms in this season. So let us study about each of these now. Let us do this activity given in your book on page number 101. Activity time. Look at the pictures below and write the names of seasons shown. So children, can you see this picture? What is here in this picture? Sun is shining brightly and the boy is eating ice cream. So we can see that this is a summer season. So you have to write summer over here. Now let us move to the next picture. What is here? You can see snowfall is there and everywhere the land is covered with snow and children are wearing woolen clothes. So this is a winter season. Now in the last diagram you can see that children, they are going with umbrella and rain is falling and a boy is wearing raincoat. So this is a monsoon season. So we have to write monsoon over here. So children, summer is the hottest season of the year. After summer comes monsoon. It rains during monsoon season. Rain is good for crops. Now why rain is good for crops? Because when rain falls, soil get the water and crops can get water from the soil. Now leaves fall in autumn season. Winter is the coldest season of the year. In spring season, we see many beautiful flowers around. Seasons affect what we wear and what we eat. Like in summer season, we wear light colored cotton clothes which keep us cool, and in winter season, we wear woolen clothes and dark colored clothes which keep us warm. Okay children? So whatever we are wearing and what we eat, that depends on the season. Like in summers, we eat ice creams, but in winters, we prefer to have hot beverages like coffee and tea. So let me show you some of the seasons now. So see children, what type of season it is? It is a summer season. Now this is rainy season. So children, here it is autumn season because the leaves of the trees has become yellow and brown because in autumn season leaves fall down. Now the season shown here is a winter season. You can see that snow is everywhere. This is showing excessive coldness, that is winter season. The picture here is showing spring season because here in spring season flowers are blooming everywhere. Okay. So these are some of the seasons. So children, this is all about the explanation part of your chapter. I hope you all have understood the contents of the chapter well. Now we move to book work and copy work. So all of you open page number 100. Let's start with the exercise. Let's recall. Fill in the blanks with the correct words. So here you can see in the bracket 3 words are given for your help. So you have to choose one among them. First, air occupies dash, space, mass or shape. So air occupies space. Air is a mixture of dash, solids, liquids or gases. So it is a mixture of gases, oxygen, carbon dioxide, nitrogen. Dash, air can make us fall sick, dirty, clean or fresh. So dirty air can make us fall sick. We use dash for drinking and washing. So children, what we use for drinking and washing? Air, water or milk. So here the correct answer is water. So we will write water over here. Water dash to form water vapor. condenses, evaporates, freezes. So children, here evaporation is the process through which liquid form of water changes into gaseous form. So here we will write evaporates. So now we come to the next exercise, that is exercise number A on page number 103. It is tick the correct answer. So what you have to do here, you have to choose the one correct option among the given 4 options. So let us start. We use water for drinking, sleeping, breathing, flying. So children, we use water for drinking. We breathe in oxygen, water, nitrogen, hydrogen. So what do we breathe in? We breathe in oxygen. Tiny water droplets form clouds, winds, lakes, sun. So children, when tiny water droplets combines, they form clouds. So we will put a tick mark on A option. Sunny days are cold, windy, hot or rainy. So children, on sunny days there is sun overhead, so the days are hot. So we will put a tick mark on C option, that is hot. We see many beautiful flowers in spring, summer, autumn, monsoon. So children, flower blooms in which season? Yes, in spring season. So the correct answer here is the A option, that is spring. Now we move to the next exercise. Exercise number B. Write T for true and F for false statement. So here boxes are given, we have to write T or F. So first statement here is air is present all around us. So this statement is a correct statement, so we will write T over here. We cannot see water. Is it a correct statement? No. We cannot see air, but we can see water. So here we will write F. Air contains water vapor. This is also the correct statement. I have shown you experimentally also. So this is a true statement. So we will write T over here. Summer is the hottest season of the year. So is it the correct statement, children? Yes, because summer is the hottest season. The sun shines brightly during the summer season, and we will write T over here. Leaves fall in winter season. Is it a correct statement? No, because leaves fall in autumn season. So we will write F over here. Now we come to the next exercise on the same page, exercise number C. Name the following. So first is the hottest season of the year. So children, the hottest season is summer season. So we will write summer. The gas which you breathe in. So which gas we breathe in? We breathe in oxygen. So we will write oxygen over here. 3 forms of water. So children, 3 forms of water are solid. In solid form it occurs as ice. So we will write ice in bracket. Then liquid. In liquid form it occurs as drinking water. So we will write water over here. And the third form is gas. And in gaseous form it occurs as steam or water vapor. So we will write steam in the bracket. So this way you have to complete your book work. Now let's move to your copy work. So children, you have to do this copy work in your school notebooks. We have already done one define in your notebook. So you have to continue this work below that define only. Put the heading answer the following. Then we will start. So question number 1 is what does air contain? Answer to this question is air contains gases, dust, smoke, germs and water vapor. Now we come to question number 2. Question is what causes changes in weather? So answer to this question is changes in weather are caused by sun, wind, rain and clouds. Now we move to question number 3. So question number 3 here is how many seasons are there in a year? Name them. So answer is there are 5 seasons in a year: summer, winter, monsoon. You can write rainy in the bracket because monsoon season is also called as rainy season. Then fourth one is autumn and then spring. Now let's come to question number 4. So question number 4 is draw and color a neat diagram of water cycle. So children, diagram of water cycle is given in your books. You can draw it from there. So you can see here, this is the picture of water cycle. Here you can see a water body is shown here, sun is here, clouds are here. So How you have to make the diagram? First you have to draw a water body. Now water evaporates due to sun's heat. Then this water reaches to clouds. Water vapor condenses to form cloud when it rises up. So you have to draw these arrows also to show the movement of water from water bodies to the sky, that is clouds, and then you have to show here rainfall also, because water is returned back to the water bodies through rain, and you have to mark these arrows properly. So children, you can draw this diagram in your notebooks. Draw the diagram neatly, label everything properly in the diagram, and after drawing the diagram, write the name of the diagram, write the label of the diagram below it, that is, it is water cycle. Now we come to the next question. Question is, why are afternoons hotter than mornings? So answer to this question is, in the afternoon the sun shines directly overhead, whereas in the morning and evening sun rays are slanting. So this way you have to complete your work. So children, it is all about your chapter number 10, air, water and weather. I hope you all have understood the chapter properly. Now complete your book work and copy work. Till then, have a nice day. Thank you.